Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make the John Ward voice. This iconic, deep, and often unsettling vocal style can be achieved through a couple of different approaches. We'll explore how digital tools can replicate its unique sound, offering a straightforward path to imitation. Additionally, we'll delve into the vocal techniques you can practice to develop a similar impression with your own voice, focusing on its key characteristics. One effective way to create the John Ward voice is by using digital tools. Many AI voice generators and text-to-speech platforms offer models specifically designed to replicate this unique sound. When using these, you can often fine-tune settings for greater accuracy. For instance, try setting the pitch between 90 and 95 and the speaking speed around 91. Adjusting mouth and throat parameters, typically to 134 and 132 respectively, can further refine the output. If you prefer to develop a vocal impression, focus on the core characteristics of the John Ward voice, its deep, gravelly, and raspy texture. A key technique is vocal fry, which involves creating a low, creaky sound by engaging your vocal cords in a relaxed, controlled manner. Also, practice controlled breathing, allowing a small amount of extra air to pass over your vocal cords to add that distinctive breathiness. Concentrating on your lower vocal registers will help achieve a naturally deeper tone. To refine your impression, try a gentle growl technique by lightly constricting the back of your throat to produce a gritty tone. Remember, vocal health is paramount. Always begin with proper vocal warm-ups to prepare your cords and prevent injury. Staying well hydrated with plenty of room temperature water is also crucial. It is vital to avoid excessive strain or pushing your voice too hard, as this can lead to vocal damage over time. Patience and moderation are key to success.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.